alright, it's okay with me. I'll do my best all by myself. I don't need nobody to play with. But if you just give me a chance, I can put you in a trance the way I dance. That's just somebody call the po-po. I'm going crazy, think about you, baby.
Every day I'm hustling, 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 every day I'm
summer night, I don't care, hand on the wheel, driving drunk, I'm doing my thing, rolling the liquid side and out, living my life, getting my dreams. I'ma do just what I want, and I'ma let it show up. We get drunk, so up and smoke weed, we're just having fun, we don't care who sees, so what we go out, that's how it's supposed to be, living young, luxury, I'm a redneck Romeo, oh baby, you can find me, in the back of a jacked up tailgate, sitting around watching all these birthdays. We got a good thing, don't know if I'm seeing you again, but is that a good thing?
You know what, I'm a chicken fry. Cold beer on a Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right. I'm gonna try something that I ain't never did before on this one. Let's go. Get your lighters, roll this sticky, let's get high, get high. Got that blueberry, your loving, it's that fire, get that high. Get your light.
Oh, that's sticky, let's get high.